Have you ever felt the frustration of needing important study notes, only to realize they are stuck on your desktop computer at home, while you are out studying at a coffee shop or in the library? It is a common challenge for many students, making your notes less useful when you need them most. The simplest and most effective way to use your digital notes across multiple devices is through cloud synchronization. This powerful feature allows your notes to be stored online and automatically updated everywhere you access them, ensuring you always have the most current information at your fingertips. Cloud synchronization works by uploading your digital notes to secure, remote servers on the internet. Instead of your notes living only on one specific device, they resided in a central online location. When you make a change on one device, that update is sent to the cloud, and then automatically downloaded and applied to all your other linked devices. This means your phone, tablet, and laptop can all show the exact same version of your notes instantly. To put this into practice, first, choose a reliable note-taking application that offers strong cloud sync capabilities, such as Microsoft OneNote, Evernote, Google Keep, or Apple Notes. Next, make sure you sign into that application with the exact same user account on every device you wish to use. Finally, double-check that the synchronization setting is enabled within the app on all your devices. Once set up, any note you create or edit will seamlessly appear across your entire digital ecosystem. Beyond just basic access, cloud syncing also unlocks some fantastic insider features. For example, many services offer a version history, allowing you to revert to earlier drafts of your notes if you accidentally delete something important. You also get universal search capabilities, meaning you can find specific information across all your notes, no matter which device you are using. Plus, most apps provide offline access, so even without an internet connection, your recently viewed notes are still available. Embracing cloud synchronization for your digital notes transforms your study experience from rigid to incredibly flexible and reliable. It removes the stress of managing multiple note versions and ensures you have consistent access to your crucial study materials, empowering you to learn and review more efficiently wherever your studies take you.